Are you looking for the best gas cooktops? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gas cooktops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 24-inch built-in gas cooktop with thermocouple protection. The 24-inch built-in gas cooktop is a powerful and safe cooking appliance with high-power burners, electronic ignition, and a thermocouple flame-out fault system. It is made of durable stainless steel, Bakelite knob, and cast iron grill that are easy to clean and maintain. The liquefied petroleum gas nozzles are preset and can be replaced to meet different needs. The enclosed chassis design prevents airflow from affecting combustion stability during cooking. What we like: high-power burners with a total power of 26,614 BTU. Thermocouple flame-out fault system for safety. Durable stainless steel construction and easy to clean. Number 2. Cooktop 30-inch gas cooktop with 5 burners. The Cooktop 30-inch gas cooktop offers versatile cooking with 5 burners that range from a powerful 12,000 BTU rapid boil burner to a gentle 4,000 BTU simmer burner. This allows you to quickly boil water or gently simmer sauces with ease. It supports both natural gas and propane, giving you flexible installation options thanks to the included conversion kit. The cooktop features an instant electric ignition for quick and reliable flame startup, so you don't have to worry about matches or lighters. Plus, a safety device automatically shuts off the gas if the flame goes out, keeping your kitchen safe and secure. What we like: 5 versatile burners. Natural gas and propane compatible. Instant electric ignition. Flame failure safety device. Number 3. TopWish 30-inch gas cooktop with SABAF burners. The TopWish 30-inch gas cooktop offers 5 high-quality SABAF burners that provide versatile cooking power, from intense boiling to gentle simmering. You'll appreciate the efficient flame technology that mixes gas and oxygen perfectly, saving you energy and reducing cooking time. This cooktop works with both natural gas and propane, giving you the flexibility to use it in your home, RV, or outdoor kitchen. Safety is a priority with automatic flame failure detection on every burner, which stops the gas flow if the flame goes out, protecting your kitchen from hazards. What we like: high-performance SABAF burners. Energy-efficient flame technology. Dual fuel compatibility. Automatic flame safety system. Number 4. Frimo gas cooktop. The Frimo gas cooktop is a high-power built-in gas cooker with 4 burners, including a triple ring wok burner, 2 semi-rapid burners, and an auxiliary burner. With a total power of 26,614 BTU, this cooktop offers efficient and powerful cooking performance. The thermocouple flame-out fault system ensures safety by automatically turning off the gas when no flame is detected, preventing gas leakage. Made of durable stainless steel, Bakelite knobs, and cast iron grills, this cooktop is easy to clean and maintain. The included liquefied gas conversion kit allows for easy installation and the option to switch between natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas. The enclosed chassis design prevents airflow from affecting combustion stability during cooking. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Frimo 4-burner cooktop. What we like: high-power burners. Safety thermocouple flame-out system. Durable stainless steel construction. Number 5. Gasland Chef Pro GH2365EF 36-inch gas cooktop. The Gasland 36-inch gas cooktop is designed for easy maintenance with a black enamel surface that resists stains and heat. The 5 sealed burners prevent food from falling in, making cleaning a breeze. The 5 powerful burners offer high efficiency for boiling, searing, and simmering, catering to versatile cooking styles. With a thoughtful design including heavy cast iron grates for stability and zinc alloy knobs for precise control, you can cook multiple meals simultaneously, saving time during dinner parties. Safety features like the thermocouple protection system ensure peace of mind in emergencies. What we like: easy maintenance. 5 powerful burners. Thoughtful design.